taas ba? Sa taas na tamang. May bata din sa ubos ng park.
Sa taas.
Announcement. Colegio Santo Niño, an academic institution managed by Abyssinian Friars, is now accepting enrollment for school year 2026 to 2027 for the following levels: preschool, elementary, and junior high school. CSN offers a holistic educational training with devotion to the Señor Santo Niño. Be an Abyssinian student now. You may require the following numbers: 256-2197 or 326-6260. Locals 101, 108, 114, 115, or 127.
Huwag na, pinagul tayo ma'am. Kasi napay makita na dito sa may exit mo. Nakita ikaw, naguba itong payong ma'am.
The Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines has permitted the two airplanes of Indiana Aerospace University and Ormo Air to drop flowers from the skies. The Señor Santo Niño crosses the border of Mactan, Cebu Harbor Channel in fluvial procession on January 17, 2026 at 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. and declare the Mactan Channel as no-fly zone. We are appealing to the Santo Niño Volunteers to contribute and send the flower petals and your prayer petition to Señor Santo Niño, already packed in bags, so that it's easier for IAU pilot to drop the flowers and prayer petition to Señor Santo Niño on board the galleon ship while navigating along the Mactan Cebu Harbor Channel all the way to Sicily. For your convenience, you can send your flower with prayer petition packed in bags here at the Basilica or at Indiana Aerospace University in Lapu-Lapu City or at Indiana Condotel, Episcopal Street, Cebu City.
Walang exit dito ma'am, hindi ka exit ka na.
Pahilog ni Nahanako sa Tanang Gayon ang kalimpyo sa Basilica. Pilgrims member sa Pahilog ini.